Hiragana Combination 2 with small letters. Today I'm going to introduce Hiragana combination with small letters. So we learn like basic Hiragana chart and also basic Hiragana plus symbol like ten or maru. And if you haven't watched previous one, please go to the above link so you can start learning from But today I'm going to introduce small letters. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 small letters you can add, but today mainly I'm focused on these 3: small ya, small u, small yo. So this is Hiragana popular combination chart. Ki plus small ya, kya, kyu, kyo, sha, shu, sho, cha, chu, cho, nya, nyu, nyo, hya, hyu, hyo, mya, myu, myo, rya, ryu, ryo, gya, gyu, gyo, ja, ju, jo, bya, byu, byo, pya, pyu, pyo. Let's write. We have 2 writing systems. One is from left to right, the other one is from top to down. So when we write from left to right, we will write kya. So this small ya have to be in lower left box. And from top to down, we write kya. So this small ya have to be in the box upper right. Same, kyu. From left to right, kyu. So on. So, I'm going to introduce a vocabulary using Hiragana with small letters. 客、客、客、9、9、9、今日、今日、今日、逆、逆、逆、牛乳、牛乳、牛乳、餃子、餃子、餃子、社員、社員、社員、宿題、宿題、宿題、小学生、小学生、小学生。学生 is student, and shou in kanji we write this kanji, it meaning small. So it means elementary school student. じゃがいも、じゃがいも、じゃがいも、授業、授業、授業、女子高生、女子高生、女子高生、お茶、お茶、お茶。You can say cha only. You can say cha, but I normally say お茶. It's a bit polite, but both are okay. 中学生中学生中学生 Here also 学生 is student and 中 in kanji we write this kanji. We use this kanji, so it's meaning middle. 貯金貯金貯金にゃにゃんにゃんにゃんにゃんにゃんにゃん We have lots of onomatopoeia. 入院入院入院尿尿尿100円100円100円ヒューヒューヒューひょっとこひょっとこひょっとこ300円300円300円 We count 100円100円 is 100円200円 is 200円 But 300円 is 300円300円ビュービュービュービュービュービュー Again, this is onomatopoeia for wind. 病院病院病院600円600円600円 So, we have 100円100円200円200円300円300円400円400円500円500円600円600円ピューピューピューピューピューピューぴょこぴょこぴょこぴょこぴょこぴょこ We have a Japanese tongue twister using this ぴょこぴょこカエルぴょこぴょこみぴょこぴょこ合わせてぴょこぴょこむぴょこぴょこみゃーみゃーみゃーキャリーパミュパミュキャリーパミュパミュキャリーパミュパミュ The lady is a singer because it is very difficult to find Japanese word including mu. We have one example of a people's surname, but it's not very popular. 名字名字名字省略する省略する省略する In this example, she is introducing herself. It looks like it's obvious. So basically we can omit the subject. We can just say 鈴木です Oh, her name is Suzuki. Suzuki is famous 名字 famous surname, famous family name for Japanese people, like Suzuki for car company. The bike company? The car company. 留学生留学生留学生 Again, 学生 is student. 旅行旅行 旅行。Thank you for watching. 見てくれてありがとう。